Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Character sets play a crucial role in Python when dealing with strings and text data. Python supports various character sets for encoding and decoding strings. In this tutorial, we will explore what character sets are, how they work in Python, and provide some code examples to illustrate their usage. A character set, also known as a character encoding, is a standardized mapping of characters to their respective binary representations. It defines how characters are represented in memory or stored in files. Common character sets include ASCII, Unicode, UTF-8, and UTF-16. Python provides built-in support for various character sets through its str data type and related functions in the str module. When working with strings in Python, it's essential to understand how character encoding works to handle text data correctly, especially when dealing with non-ascii characters or internationalization. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a character encoding standard that represents text in computers, communications equipment, and other devices that use text. It uses 7 bits to represent 128 characters, including English letters, digits, punctuation marks, and control characters. In Python, ASCII encoding can be performed using the encode method with the ASCII codec, and decoding can be done using the decode method. Unicode is a universal character encoding standard that aims to represent every character from every language in the world. It supports over 1 million characters and assigns each character a unique code point. Unicode allows encoding characters from different scripts, emojis, mathematical symbols, etc. In Python, Unicode strings are represented using the str type by default. Unicode encoding can be performed using the encode method with the UTF-8 codec, and decoding can be done using the decode method. UTF-8, Unicode transformation format, 8-bit, and UTF-16, Unicode transformation format, 16-bit, are popular encoding schemes for Unicode characters. UTF-8 uses variable length encoding, while UTF-16 uses fixed length encoding. In Python, UTF-8 and UTF-16 encoding and decoding can be performed similarly to Unicode encoding. Understanding character sets is essential for handling text data in Python effectively. By knowing how to encode and decode strings using different character sets, you can ensure proper handling of text data, including internationalization and special characters. Python provides robust support for various character encodings, making it versatile for working with text in different contexts. ChatGPT